So good morning. We are here and we are going to chase the sunrise. We're headed down to the beach and we about to chase the sunrise. So as we do so, understand that when you get in the air, first things first, your obstacle avoidance, it may be too dark outside for it to be able to tell exactly what's going on. So you have to be safe, you have to be clear, and you have to understand exactly what you are doing. But you don't give up. Let's get it, man. Something I'm thoroughly enjoying when I'm out here doing this thing is like, man, being able to do stuff like this is like foreign to a lot of people, because some people, you got $1,500, $1,600. Not a lot of folks are thinking about spending it on a drone, but I tell you what, those of us that are, that passion that you have to catch those shots or being able to fly where you can fly, obviously within the FAA regulations and things like that. But being able to do the things you do is quite phenomenal, considering the space that you're in, the airspace. Like, it ain't necessarily like racing cars or stuff like that, but the airspace is pretty phenomenal. Like, it's so cool. Yes, I've done this before with a camera, but now I'm about to do this literally over the ocean. It don't matter what ocean you go to. It don't matter what piece of land you're on. The fact is you're able to do something that you as a human being physically, I ain't trying to say I can't go in the ocean and watch the sunrise. I can't go as deep as I'm about to go and watch sunrise. If you feel what I'm saying. I put it like this. I ain't about to go as deep and watch no dang on sunrise, but it will definitely be a testament to the fact that this is going to be an awesome moment for all of us, hopefully, and hopefully all of us can get to see this and truly just enjoy, man. Just enjoy. This is how I feel when I go to an adventure. He's a pirate. By the way, if you have not seen Hans Zimmer live, you have not lived. Go see Hans Zimmer live the next time you can. Find out when he's coming. Not sounds of Hans. It's a lot of different things, but Hans Zimmer himself. Find out that when he's coming to your city, if he's coming to your city. If it's in 2027 and the man planning to come, you better buy some tickets. All right, so this is something I want to show. This is the air control app, if you will. The air control app is friendly to the FAA. So in the air control app, when you pull it up, normally it'll say if there's any type of restriction. So let me show you. So in here, see what that red is? Red is no. Red is no, okay? But if you go outside of that red, there is blues, there's whatever. And in there, if you look here closely, you will see there is a 400 right there. That 400 means that's how high your behind can go in this area, okay? So you can, when you do it, you always want to start your pre-flight. It's going to take you to the pre-flight checklist and everything like that and all of that. And then, crap, I didn't mean to do that. I want to start a session. If you need this, you go to the LANC, and on that map, now you can draw out how far you want to go. You can make the map smaller. That way it makes those pinch points a lot easier to make longer. I know I want to be out here on the sea, if you will. And I want to go 400. I want to get cleared up to 400 feet. Okay. No eligible authorizations over 200 feet. So that's fine. That's fine. See, it says that, excuse me. Oh, wait, I don't want to go that far down. But if you go far down, look, it's going to change it. So if I go into restricted airspace, it takes it completely away. So you can't fly down there. But I can fly out as far as, you can see this way and up here a bit. And I know I'm probably going to go back here a bit. So basically, you just do this on your app to get yourself together so to know where you are. And you say I'm gonna fly now. I know it's probably not as clear. I could probably make this a little bit clearer on like a computer or something, make it more professional, but this is straight up. All right, so this says I'm eligible for auto approval. It gives the date, how many hours, gives the end time and date, so you better be done by that time. That's that. That's that. You now have permissible altitude in this space. They know you are here and you ain't doing nothing to break the law. But I have exactly 30 minutes to get out there and get settled in and also get set up without being a nuisance to other people around me. Let's get to it. The reason all that footage looked like that is because when I got back home, when I was uploading up to my computer, all the footage of me talking on the beach got deleted. Let this be a lesson to you. Have a backup drive. Have a backup drive, man. So thank you guys so much for tuning in again. Creative Milk. Please stay tuned. I have more videos coming. Hope to see you guys again soon. Next, we'll be talking about color grading. Peace.